Hi, this is Ron Janish, and this video is going to introduce you to what we're doing here. First of all, what we're doing is extremely unique. Think about it. How many people out there that teach a trading technique or course give you pretty much real-time information in terms of why they take a trade? And then you can see for yourself what actually happens. Now, I can give you a track record if I wanted to. I could do all kinds of things. But the advantage is that you get to see not only what happened in the past, but you get to get a sense of my personal style and how that may assist and support you. And here's why. When Andrews was teaching the course back in the 70s, he would send out a weekly newsletter. And his weekly newsletter would be out for the course objective to teach principles whereby members may start with $5,000 and run value to $50,000 as rapidly, as easily as possible with minimum risk. Okay, and then he went on to say, as it has been done several times by individuals since the course started. Now, what he would do is he would send out this newsletter on Thursday, and you would get it in the mail on Monday, and you would simply go to right over here, the orders indicated section, and you would read this to your broker. And so over a period of 3 or 4 weeks or months, when he would do the demonstration and take 5,000 and turn it into 50,000 in the futures market, he would give you the orders indicated, and you see the account go up in value tremendously. It was just absolutely amazing. Well, things have changed since then. The market has changed, and even though the principles still work wonderfully, we now have an opportunity to see things in a more of a real-time sense. And originally when I started this, I was going to do this on a weekly basis. And what I decided to do in April of 2018, which is today, is I'm going to switch to a more of a real-time type thing. So on a daily basis, maybe in the morning and in the afternoon, you might take a look at the news page of the andrewscourse.com site, and just see if there's any new videos. Okay, give you an example. Had you popped in yesterday, we were over here in price on this particular one. This is AUD NZD. It's something in the Forex. I really don't do much Forex, but I decided to do this for demonstration purposes. And we were over here in price, and I was saying, okay, here it's up we go time, and I discussed an Andrews principle as to why the probability is really good that it's up we go time. Now, as you notice here, this is a 1 hour chart. Price has gone a little lower overnight and now is higher than when we originally discussed it in the previous video. And we're looking at this going, for at least several days, if not several weeks. That this may be a very, very important bottom here. So that's how we do things. And in the video I mentioned one of Andrew's concepts as to why he thought that would be a significant place for a bottom. Something you need to know about Andrew's technique, and that is typically when you have a major reversal, there are 3 or 4 things that he's looking at and explaining. I know he explained them to me privately. I learned it from him at the kitchen table, from Andrews himself. So he's looking at several different things, and he notices typically 3, 4, 5 things according to his course rules that are relevant at that point. And so what I do is I communicate at the most one of those things in the video. So if you take the course, what you'll find is that there's a whole bunch of other videos that were not given to the public, that are only for course members, that go over all these rules and concepts of Andrews that you won't find elsewhere. And you'll also find that there's a course manual that comes with it and all these other things. Anyway, if you click on it, if you click on this site once or twice a day, you'll find that every once in a while we will have an update to this. Okay, and we'll focus on something different. Okay, give you an example. If I was to do one right now, I would probably do one on this one here. This is the Russell Index. And the reason I like it is because in this area here, there's a certain Andrews rule that suggests that the probability is real high that this low here is going to hold for quite some time, probably even as price goes and makes new highs. Okay. So and I would focus on the particular concept. Those of you that are course members that want to look this up, in the expanded course videos, there's a video that I labeled JR1 that focuses on exact reversal points. And this was just beautiful here. So anyway, please, come visit us. And we do have courses available in limited amounts. Right now, we only take in 3 new students a month on the advanced course level. And on the expanded course level, we do 1 a month. Now, the expanded course includes something we call the part 1 of what we call the pro course, which is only given a couple times a year. And Matthew is doing a demonstration of part 1 of the pro course. And what you'll find, and this is with real money and stuff, and you'll find that he sends out emails every once in a while if you're a member of the free group, Precision Trader Yahoo group, and he talks about how much he's up, and he's doing really significantly well. So anyway, I thank you for your time and enjoy the videos.